Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking down prerequisites. Pick a cloud provider and region because latency and costs matter. Next, choose storage type, object for files, block for VMs, file for shared mounts, so you design access patterns correctly. Once done, create the project or tenant and configure IAM and a service account with least privilege. Also provision a billing alert to avoid surprises. Make sure to record API keys in a secret store. This prevents leaks and keeps automation working smoothly. Now you build the core. Design your namespace and metadata schema so objects are discoverable and scalable. Then implement the upload flow, support multi-part uploads, input validation, and server-side virus scanning to protect users. Once the API is stable, enable versioning and lifecycle policies to manage costs. This moves old objects to colder tiers automatically. Make sure encryption at rest and encryption in transit are enforced, and bind access policies to roles so authorization is consistent and auditable. Finish by testing end-to-end. Perform integration, load, and chaos tests to validate performance and failover behavior. Then deploy monitoring and alerting, plus backups and automated recovery playbooks so restoration is repeatable. Once stable, harden RBAC and publish SLA targets and runbooks for operators. If something goes wrong, check IAM and bucket policies first. Misconfiguration there causes most access failures. Review recent policy changes, then inspect logs and token
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.